Significant advances in the understanding of disease biology and major innovation in gene editing, protein engineering, and cell culture technologies have created a highly fertile scientific environment in which cell therapy research is flourishing.
In AstraZeneca Biopharmaceuticals R&D, we want to transform healthcare. We want to change the lives of billions of people for the better and address some of the biggest healthcare challenges facing humankind.
We are making exceptional progress against our cell therapy ambitions. We're seeing our portfolio of cell therapies grow, utilising the patient's own cells or off-the-shelf pluripotent stem cells to support regeneration of tissues and organs, modulation of the immune system, and removal of dysfunctional or disease cells so that healthy cells can take their place.
In CVRM, the most advanced cell therapy program is the human ventricular progenitor cell program. And here we are using a stem cell that is committed to become cardiomyocytes. And by injecting these cells into the heart of patients with heart failure, we can rebuild new cardiac tissue and improve the function of the heart, and hopefully one day cure these patients.
We want to go beyond symptom control of autoimmune diseases to really achieve clinical remission and cure. We're looking at stabilizing T-regulatory cells. T-regulatory cells are important because they provide the control of the immune system. What we want to do is take the cells, work out what stabilizes them, modify them so we can expand them and reinfuse them back into patients.
We are also investigating the potential of using chimeric antigen receptor T cells, so-called CAR T cells, in non-oncology settings to eliminate disease-causing cells across several therapeutic indications.
We are also partnering with the best external groups and scientific leaders in the field, enabling us to focus on our ambition to develop and deliver innovative cell therapies to patients.
Within the next 10 years, our ambition is to provide novel treatments to these patients that can change their lives.
Our ambition is to create functionalized T-regulatory cells that are off the shelf. This is the holy grail for our scientists.
We can now talk about cure because we are seeing science that has the potential to repair and regenerate cells and tissues to reverse disease, making cure a very real possibility. It is why we as scientists are working in medicine. Cure has always been our goal.
AstraZeneca is a fantastic place for anyone with an interest and passion in cell therapy. I am so proud of what we have already achieved and delighted to be building a network of such talented, skilled and committed teams across AstraZeneca to take us to the next stage of this exciting journey.
The field of cell therapy is now moving ahead at an incredible speed, and over the next decade, I hope we can see some really transformative therapies enter the clinic and reach patients.